Hello everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel Mission Net Physics Exam. And guys, today in this video I'll be sharing the information about some of the very important points which will be helping you to do good in your upcoming CSIR net exam. And even these points will be important for the upcoming GATE exam and the other similar exams too. So if you are preparing for these exams, you can watch this video and it will be helping you a lot. If you're new on the channel, that is Mission Net Physics Exam, you can subscribe this channel by clicking on the subscribe button below this video. And now we are just going to proceed to do the discussion. So basically guys, the most important point here is that how to start the questions in the exam, like whether we should start from a particular section or we can start from any of the sections in the exam. Like there are three sections in CSIR net exam. We are going to have part A, okay, then part B and part C. Clear? So most of the students ask like what we should do. We should start from the part A, part B or part C. Even here I would like to tell you about this part, that what is the marking scheme for each section. So here you get the 2 marks for each right answer. If your answer is correct, you will get 2 marks for that. Here you get the 3.5 marks. What is the marking scheme right now we are going to have? So as per that I am going to let you know. Here you get the 5 marks for the correct answer. Clear? So these are the marks you get for the right answer. Now to answer your question that from which section you should start solving the questions and which will be helping you to score good marks, I am gonna do a little bit analysis here with you, okay? That will be a kind of discussion actually, and that will be helping you to know about it or to understand this part, that from which section you can start your exam or the question paper to solve the questions, okay? Now see, it's completely up to us, but again we can do an analysis. You may have heard from most of the students or different people that okay, you should start from part C. What is the reason behind it? Or somebody can say I am going to do mostly the questions from part B, okay, first of all. And you will also be getting to know about it from most of the students or the different people that it's going to be part A, from where they prefer to start solving the questions. So now the point is it a rule like who is going to start from the part C of the question paper will be getting or scoring good marks or will be able to qualify the exam? Or is it a rule that part B, if somebody is solving first of all, will be able to qualify the exam, or somebody who is starting from the first question or from the part A will be able to qualify the exam? So the answer is there is no such rule. It's just as per your convenience and what you like, and as per that situation, whatever you feel or you think you want to do, whether you want to start from the very first question of the question paper, you can do that. It's having its own pros and cons. Now what are these pros and cons? I'll be telling you. If you think you want to start your exam with the part C first of all, you can do that too. Now it's even having its pros and cons, so I'll be letting you know about it. If somebody is starting from the part A of the question paper, so let's talk about that section first of all, that how they can do good in the exam. So guys, right now when you are gonna start your question paper from the part A, you know that each question right answer will be giving you the 2 marks for that, and here the time management will play a very important role. It should not be the case that when you are starting solving the questions from part A, you are devoting your half an hour or 45 minutes in the starting just for part A. No, because you know its weightage is less. So accordingly you have to manage your time. So from whatever section you are going to start solving the questions, your time management strategy is going to play a very important role here. So when you are starting to solve the questions from the part A of the question paper, you should have an idea, or approximately you have to consider this part, that I'm going to do take the time for each question in part A. If I'm working on it, I'm solving it approximately 1 minute or approximately 50 seconds to 1 minute, 45 seconds to 1 minute time. Okay, so you can have a time limit for that, which will be helping you to work on all those questions in limited time, as well as if some question you are going to read and you are not familiar with it, just proceed further and read the next one. That's how you can follow the strategy. Okay, so your time management strategy will be playing an important role here. And since you are going to start solving the questions, you are fresh, you are relaxed, Okay, and that's how even you can easily get the part A questions answer. Why? Because it's more about reasoning, aptitude, okay, and all those general questions are going to be there. So I think it can be more easy for you to work on them. While since you have already prepared all those concepts from physics part or different streams you are preparing for, so whether you will go for part B or part C later on or in the starting, that's all right. You can do it anytime. Now these were the points that if somebody is starting solving the questions from part A, then what they will be getting or what are the pros and cons of that part. But if somebody is going to start solving the question from part C, then why they prefer to do it if somebody does, okay. So in that case it is the point, because you know that you will be getting 5 marks for each right answer. So in less time, if they are able to solve let's say 4 or 5 questions, and then at the same time they are scoring that number of questions multiplied with 5 total marks, so it makes them more confident that, oh, in this much time I have scored these many marks. And at the same time, here even you have to consider the time management strategy, okay. Now one more thing, this is something, if you do more questions in less time, can make you more confident and can tell you like, oh, in this much time you have scored these many marks. That's the positive part of the part C, okay. If you are starting solving the questions from this section, at the same time, just maybe because it's part C, you can have quite difficult different type of questions present there too. So you should be ready that you have to be creative, you have to focus more, you have to focus more on the question statement and the given options, and that approach you have to consider. It should not be the case that you are solving those questions at the same time you are making your mindset like, oh, it's going to be difficult paper. No, not at all. Even after observing or just checking out 10, 15, 20 questions, whatever type of question they are, you don't need to create or have a particular mindset about the question paper. Whenever you are going to read any question, focus on that only at that moment, and this is how you have to just proceed to solve the questions in the exam. So it's completely your choice whether you want to start solving the questions from part A, part B or part C. You will be able to score good marks if you are gonna have that I can do attitude, as well as you are gonna stay relaxed throughout your question paper, okay. The exam time, exam duration, you will be able to do it, okay guys. You will be able to score good marks, as well as will be able to do better as much as it is possible. And the way you have prepared the topics and the concepts, you will be able to consider that there easily, okay. So we are going to keep it this much in this video today. Here are few important slides and the points I want to consider in this session. So right now a latest offer is going on Unacademy subscription. Even if you want to do the preparation under the guidance of top educators, you can take the subscription, as you will be getting 20% discount in the total Unacademy subscription amount if you will be taking the subscription now. And this offer is just valid till 16 September, and you can see the time till which time it's gonna be valid. Whenever you will proceed further to take the subscription, you need to use and apply the referral code, which is Anjali A Live, as mentioned here on the screen, because by using and by applying this referral code, you will be able to get the discount in the total subscription amount. Here are few more important points mentioned on this slide, so you can have a look at them, the benefits you will be getting and all those points. Also guys, about the Unacademy Lite subscription, important points have been shown here. Whenever you will be proceeding further to take the subscription, you can use and apply the referral code, which is Anjali A Live, as mentioned here on the screen. Now even the notes are available on the Unacademy learning app. So if anybody is there who wants to prepare with the important notes, guidance by the top educators, tricks, concepts and many important points you want to know, so you can take the subscription now and start your preparation under the guidance of top educators. Few free unit-wise PYQ tests are even available on the learning app now. You can check them out too. If you will be taking the Unacademy Iconic subscription, what are the benefits you will be getting? All that have been shown here. The difference between the Unacademy Plus and the Iconic subscription have been shown here. The referral code has been shown on this slide. So whenever you will be proceeding further to take the subscription, you can use and apply the referral code to get the discount in the total subscription amount. It's a great offer guys. So even if your friends were waiting to take the subscription or wants to do the preparation under the guidance of top educators, you can let them know about the offer. You can even share the referral code with them. That's Anjali A Live, as mentioned here on the screen. So by using and by applying this referral code, anybody will be able to get the discount in the total subscription amount. Thank you so much everyone for watching this video till the end. Thank you and all the best for the exam too. Thank you. If you are new on this channel, that is Mission Net Physics Exam, then you can subscribe this channel by clicking on the subscribe button below this video. If you like this video, you can share it with your friends too. Thank you everyone.